What's up, guys? It's Marissa at Kreitz Customs showing off a 2022 GMC Yukon. Behind me, our Kreitz Customs paint team went off on this build, and I am super excited to show you what we did with the build and as well as the custom color match on this Yukon. So we actually upgraded this Yukon Denali. A lot of you guys like the features of the Denali with all the upgraded insides. So we went ahead and took the Denali, but did a little AT4 twist on it since the AT4 doesn't have some of the upgrades like the Denali does. So we went ahead and beefed it up, gave a little bit more of an off-road look to it, and I think this is going to sell super quick, so you don't want to sleep on this build, or if you want to do it to your personal vehicle, we can take care of that for you. Starting off with the outside features of the vehicle, you guys can see that we completely customized the outside with our paint team and as well as our tint and vinyl shop as well, if you guys are interested in that. So starting off with the exterior, on the front portion of the grille, the fog light bezels, the side fender badges, the mirror caps, as well as the emblems all the way around on the vehicle are color matched. So we took them apart, painted them, and then reinstalled them. And you guys can see on the front grille here where the GMC emblem is, we took that apart, took the red from the GMC and actually painted it the body color of the vehicle and did the outside portion of it in that gloss black. Now what our tint and vinyl shop did, they went ahead and did the vinyl on the hood of the vehicle. We also went around on the exterior portion on your A pillars and your C pillars back here and did the Panda wrap all the way around the vehicle just to break up that white. I think it looks super clean. They went ahead and I'm not kidding you. I'm about to buy this GMC Yukon. My husband might be mad at me, but I think it's worth it. Coming down to our Kreitz Customs build team, we went ahead and added the 3-inch ReadyLIFT suspension kit, and this is for the Magna Ride. Since the Denalis have the Magna Ride, we want to keep all the features of the vehicle that it comes with, so this kit allows that to happen. And then our wheel and tire package, with that 3-inch kit, you can add a bigger wheel and tire package. This is a 20x9 Hostile Ridgecrest. This is a brand new 2023 edition wheel. This is a matte black finish, and it gives you that off-road look with that simulated beadlock on the outside portion of the wheel, and that matte black just hits off with the matte black wrap and on the A pillars, C pillars, as well as the hood, so it kind of all ties together. Your tire is going to be that Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 35, 12, 50, 20. It's giving you that off-road feel as well. For their hybrid tire, it's going to have that nice small center tread in the actual tire itself, and then it's going to give you that aggressive sidewall here on the outside just to give you that off-road feel. Now with the off-road wheel and tire package suspension and then the upgraded paintwork that our team did, it's giving you the AT4 look with the Denali features, and it's giving you that custom luxury SUV that Kreitz Customs is absolutely known for. If you're interested in doing it to yours, or if you want to buy this one, look up our social media pages at Kreitz Auto and Kreitz Customs, or give us a call 301-694-4642.